How to get your deleted posts back on Facebook. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open the Facebook app, and then you tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen right here. Once you're taken here, tap on settings and privacy at the bottom, and then tap on settings right here. And once you're taken to your settings, scroll down until you find activity log. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Wait for some seconds, and once this page loads up, you should see some categories at the top. Swipe until you find the trash category. Go ahead and tap on it. And right here, you should find all of the deleted posts within a month. Now, as you can see here, I still have 70 days on this post because I have deleted it 30 days ago. All you need to do to restore it is tap right here and tap on restore at the bottom, and my post will be restored. Now to delete it, I can tap on the three dots right here and then tap on delete and confirm the action by tapping delete again. I can go ahead and tap on archive if your post was archived and not deleted. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.